Hello everyone, welcome today. Good morning everyone. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, Wednesday, August the 30th, 2023. It's war day number 553, 553 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Yes, in the newspaper I saw a lot of missiles attack from both sides, Ukraine and in Russia. So the war is not ended. All right, in this newspaper we have two regular puzzles: the medium Sudoku and the jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. The first one is the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru, and sometimes they call this also a jigsaw Sudoku. And the last one is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening, but first let me start with these 2 regular puzzles. First one is a medium Sudoku. Yeah, I think you are interested in the medium Sudoku. A lot of viewers are looking for medium Sudokus. This one with number 7008. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a Sudoku with 26 printed digits, if I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, it will be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 1 star, 27 printed digits, faster than 50 minutes. 3 stars, 25, 22, 30 minutes. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need more than 30 minutes here, with 24 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about well, we have here an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8. Then 4. Okay. Which number can I pick? 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 7. 2, 5. 5. Yes. We have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Well, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 279. 279, 279, 279. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 2 and 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright, so 1 digit left in this column for number 9 then. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 place left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this row. Middle row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here. Could be down. Let me see. 7, 4, 6. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be down. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 7, 2, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in that box. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this row. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. 4 and the 6. Yeah. 4, 4. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1, 4, 6. Okay. And now, here we need an 8. Here we need a 9. 4, 9. Need a 2 here. Need a 6 here. Well. 1, 2, 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7. I need an 8 here. 6, 7. 6, 7, 8. I'm thinking. Well, we have a 4 in the middle. Sorry, 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 and 6. We have a 4 now in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6. It goes there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Well. Come on. 3, 3. 3, 3. Need a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 2. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 9. Ay. Well. Need a 5 here. 5 there. 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between, second column, Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So no row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. But the 1 now. Yeah. 1, okay. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, and 3. 6, 8, and 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. In the second column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 3. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. See, 3 in the last row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the row above, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright, 8, 8. We have here. Here also 8, 8. And here, will be difficult, 8, 8, okay, 2, 6, and 7 is missing. Well, need a 7 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. Yeah, 7 is the second row, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. On there, we see a 7 in the second row, second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, we need a 7 here, okay. 2 missing numbers here. In this row, the 6 and 8, 6 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in the second column for number 6 then. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in this first row for number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. How about 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is no, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Yeah, the 8. 8 in this row, last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. Sorry, 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 8. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, well, one box left in this row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last one. No 6 there. 6 we have. 4 goes there. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 we have. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We have 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too long in the beginning. But we solve it again. Definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.